And like I said before, when we had this survey to ask the women what they needed, all of them talked about the water tank. You realize that there are many seasons in our nation that we get rainfall, even in the ASAL areas. And most of the time, that water just runs off. But at least with storage of this kind of tanks, our women will not need to walk long distances to look for water. When the rains come, this can really be storage facilities for their water. And, you know, they will save the other extra time to do economic activities, which we have been capacity building them on. The concept of table banking that we work with many women across the nation is more to do with putting money on the table and into the pockets of women. So them having water close means that then they can run to their kiosk and do business. They can see their cows, they can see their chicken, and so on and so forth. And we are looking to even partner more and more. And thank you for opening your doors to Mama Doing Good and my office. And by extension, you've opened your doors to this great nation of Kenya.
Na tugetigana na icio turoge nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirenya.